Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to provide you 15 MCQs from the unit that you're seeing on your screens. This is our sixth time revision of NCERT biology that we are doing right now, and this time also we are doing it unit wise. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Plasmodesmata are locomotory structures, membrane connecting nucleus to plasmalemma, connection between adjacent cells or lignified cemented layer between the cells. Plasmodesmata are. The correct answer is option C. They are the connection between the adjacent cells. Number 2. Cytoskeleton is made up of callose deposits, option B. Cellulosic microfibrils, option C. Proteinaceous filaments, or option D. Calcium carbonate granules. Cytoskeleton is made up of. The correct answer is option C, that is proteinaceous filaments make up the cytoskeleton. Question number 3. The 3' 5' phosphodiester linkage inside a polynucleotide chain serves to join one nucleoside with another nucleoside, one nucleotide with another nucleotide, one nitrogenous base with a pentose sugar, or one DNA strand with another DNA strand. The correct answer is option B, that is the 3' 5' phosphodiester linkage joins one nucleotide with another nucleotide. Question number 4. Single cell eukaryotes are included in Protista, fungi, archaea, or Monera. Single celled eukaryotes are included in which of the following kingdoms? The correct answer is option A. They all fall in Protista. Question number 5. Animal cell differ from plant cell in possessing vacuoles, centrosomes, plastids, or mitochondria. Which of the following is found in animal cell but not in plant cell? The correct answer is option B, centrosomes. Question number 6. Polyploidy can be induced by application of auxins, kinetin, colchicine, or ethylene. Which of the following can be used to induce polyploidy? The correct answer is option C, colchicine. Question number 7. Quantosomes are present in chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body, or lysosome. Quantosomes are present in. The correct answer is option A, that is chloroplast. Question number 8. In mitochondria, enzyme cytochrome oxidase is present in the outer membrane, perimitochondrial space, inner membrane, or matrix. Where is the enzyme cytochrome oxidase located in mitochondria? The correct answer is option C. It is located in the inner membrane of mitochondria. Question number 9. Which of the following cell organelle is associated with photorespiration? Mitochondria, peroxisome, chloroplast, or option D, all of these. Cell organelle which is associated with photorespiration. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 10. The thickness of the unit membrane is 20 Armstrongs, 35 Armstrongs, 55 Armstrongs, or 75 Armstrongs. Thickness of unit membrane is. Correct answer is option D, 75 Armstrongs. Question number 11. A protoplast is a cell without cell wall, without plasma membrane, without nucleus, or option D, undergoing division. A protoplast is a cell. The correct answer is option A. A cell without a cell wall is called as protoplast. Question number 12. An abnormal human baby with triple X, XXX sex chromosome was born due to formation of abnormal ova in mother, fusion of two ova and one sperm, fusion of two sperm and one ovum, formation of abnormal sperm in father. The correct answer is option A, formation of abnormal ova in mother. Question number 13. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in Saccharomyces, Streptococcus, Chlamydomonas or Plasmodium. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in. The correct answer is option B, Streptococcus. Now what we mean by membrane-bound organelles are absent means we are referring to which of the following is a prokaryote. All eukaryotes are having membrane-bound organelles. So membrane-bound organelle is absent in a prokaryote. So which of the following is a prokaryote? The correct answer is Streptococcus, which is a bacteria. Question number 14. Which one of the following has its own DNA? Mitochondria, dictyosome, lysosome or peroxisome? Which of the following is having its own DNA? The correct answer is option A. Mitochondria has its own DNA. Question number 15. Which of the following cell organelles stores hydrolytic enzymes? Centrioles, lysozyme, chromoplast or chloroplast. Hydrolytic enzymes is present in which of the following cell organelle? The correct answer is option B, lysozymes. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs from the next unit of NCERT biology. So do read all the chapters up of that unit before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. And if you're finding these MCQs helpful in your NEET preparation, then don't forget to share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow at this very channel, this very time. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.